Hey guys, this is a Tyrrell County Public Library Resources How-To video. Today I'll be walking you through OverDrive on your smartphone or tablet. OverDrive is a digital lending library that you can gain access to simply by downloading the app, along with having a library card and PIN number. If you don't have a library card or PIN number, feel free to stop in to see us and we will get it taken care of for you. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to want to go to whatever app store is on your device, whether it be an Android Play Store, Apple App Store, or the Amazon App Store for your Kindle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Play Store. And as you can tell, we've already searched up OverDrive, but I'm going to type it in for you guys. And we're going to install. Once installed, go ahead and open up your OverDrive app. And on your main screen, you're going to see where it says sign up or sign in. And since you have a library card and you're going directly through the library, it doesn't matter which one you click on. Go ahead and just click sign up. So you will see a red box that says sign up using library card. We're going to click on that. We're going to enter the name of our library. Pettigrew Regional Library. We are going to click on the drop down box and we're going to scroll all the way down to Pettigrew Regional Libraries again. We're going to enter our library card number, 13665. Sign in. And this is what your first screen is going to look like. So we're going to click on the add a title button. And it's going to take you to the main OverDrive. As you can see here, you've got the main OverDrive page. On here, you will have to sign in again. So we're going to select the library if it's not already up there. You got a drop down menu again. Click the Pettigrew Regional Library. Insert your card number again. Sign in. Alright. So here's your main page. You can either scroll through, browse, whatever you'd like. You can also come over here to the menu options. This will have info on your account, your loans, holds, wish list, stuff you've checked out previously. You can look up by subject. You can look up by collection, ebook, audiobook, magazine, video, kids, teens, all that good stuff. So let me teach you how to check out, hold, and put a book on your wish list. So, Great Expectations. So, let's look at this one. You see where it says borrow on the left bottom corner, and it has a ribbon with a plus mark on the right bottom corner. So the ribbon with the plus mark is your wish list symbol. All you gotta do is click on it, check mark, it's on your wish list. That means when you have the time to finally get to it, you can check your wish list and be like, oh yeah, Great Expectations. If you decide you don't want it anymore, just simply click it off your wish list. To borrow a book, we're going to click the borrow button. You have the option to borrow for 7 days, 21 days, and 14 days. It's really up to you, however long you feel like you're going to need it. We're not going to actually borrow this today, so we're going to hit cancel. Now you can also click on said book and it will give you a review on it. a synopsis, and you can even borrow or add to wish list from here as well. There's only one copy available, so when you have it checked out, somebody else will have to wait for it. And I will show you how that looks. So let's go back. We're going to actually search for this title. It's pretty popular, so I know it's out. Alright, you see where it normally says borrow? Now it says place a hold. So what you're going to do is you want to click on place a hold. You're just going to enter your email address and confirm your email address. And if you're like me and you have a lot of junk mail in your email address, you might want to make you a separate email account that's specific to OverDrive. That way nothing gets confused, you don't miss any of your reminders that something that you had on hold is up and ready to be checked out. It makes life a lot simpler if, like I said, you're like me and you have a lot of junk mail in your email address. So I'm not actually going to place a hold on it today, but just email address, confirm email address, and it will email you when it's good to go. Alright guys, well I think that's all the info we have on how to log in and get started on OverDrive. Hope you enjoy your digital stacks. Have a good one guys, take care.